picture in a TV picture tube. So TV picture tube. So now you have all the TVs based on either LCD technology or TFT technology, or you have plasma TV. But in old days, 15 years back, 20 years back, we were having CRT TV, cathode ray TV. So that, this question is related to that. In a TV picture tube, electrons are ejected from cathode with negligible speed. So the electrons are ejected like this. Electrons are ejected like this. Suppose this is the cathode, and from here electrons will be ejected, and these electrons will fall on the screen of the TV, that is anode. And electrons are ejected from here. So they will strike the screen or the anode. Anode is the screen. And it will create some visual effect. So with negligible speed and reach a velocity 5 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second in traveling 1 centimeter distance. So this distance is just 1 centimeter. So in 1 centimeter, it is acquiring this much speed. Assuming straight line motion, find constant force exerted on the electrons. Mass of the electron is given. So very easy question. The distance is given. So you can write, what you can write is v square minus u square equal to 2as. Initial speed is 0. Final is how much? 5 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second, and 2 into a. A we need to find, because from A we will find the force, and S is 1 centimeter. So A is equal to 5 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 2 into 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter can be written as 1 by 100 meter. So we can write it like this in meter per second square unit. Now force will be ma. So mass of electron, m is mass of electron, that is given 9.1 10 to the power minus 31. So we can write 9.1 10 to the power minus 31, and a is 5 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 2 into 1 by 100. So this thing you have to solve, and whatever you get, that will be the answer.